Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv, where today we're going to explore a vacuum system that promises power, versatility, and durability for larger spaces. The OVO Large and Powerful Central Vacuum System might just be the right fit for your home, office, or commercial space, covering up to 7,500 square feet with ease. But does it really deliver what it claims? Let's take a closer look at its design, performance, and real-world usability to help you decide if it's the vacuum you've been searching for. This central vacuum system features a robust 630 Airwatts of suction power, backed by 130 inches of water lift suction. To put that in perspective, this is more than enough to clean large homes or businesses with multiple inlets, while ensuring that dirt and debris are sucked up quickly and efficiently. It operates at 13.8 amps and delivers 127.1 CFM, which means you're getting a powerful performance with consistent suction across different surfaces, from carpets to hard floors. One of the standout features of this vacuum is its hybrid filtration system, giving you the flexibility to use disposable bags or forgo them entirely with the included permanent washable filter. Using disposable bags is often recommended to keep maintenance easy and reduce the chances of dust escaping. But the washable filter option adds a level of convenience if you want to go bagless. Regardless of your choice, the filtration system ensures that dust and allergens stay trapped, which is great news for allergy sufferers. Speaking of noise, OVO has thought of that as well, incorporating a muffler and noise-blocking foam within the motor compartment. This ensures that the vacuum runs quietly despite its powerful suction capabilities. If you've ever used a traditional vacuum that feels like it's shaking the walls with its noise, you'll appreciate how much quieter this system is. Now let's talk about the canister. It's made of durable rolled steel, and it holds 6.6 gallons, or 25 liters of debris. This means you won't be emptying it after every cleaning session, which is ideal for larger homes or businesses. With a bottom-load design, it's easy to take out the canister, empty it, and get back to cleaning. Plus, the LED status indicator is a smart touch, letting you know when the system is running smoothly and when it's time to check or clean the filter. When it comes to real-world use, this vacuum system truly shines. The ability to cover up to 7,500 square feet means it's well-suited for homes with multiple floors or larger commercial spaces. With up to 5 inlets, you can place one in each room or zone and clean efficiently without the hassle of dragging around a portable vacuum. The system is easy to set up and relatively simple to use once installed. However, keep in mind that you will need professional installation, as it's a central vacuum system that needs to be connected to your home's infrastructure. I put the OVO through a variety of cleaning scenarios to see how it performs in real-life situations. On hard floors, it performed flawlessly, picking up dust, dirt, and crumbs without leaving anything behind. On carpets, the powerful suction did an excellent job at lifting embedded dirt, and it even handled pet hair without any issues. Cleaning stairs was made easier with the included attachments, and the system did a great job in upholstery and car interiors, though it's important to note that the hose and attachments are not as flexible as handheld models, which could make some tight spaces harder to reach. The OVO system is impressive in terms of its sheer power and capacity, but no vacuum is perfect. While it's quieter than traditional vacuums, the size and weight of the canister mean that installation and handling could be a bit tricky for those used to lightweight stick vacuums. Plus, the long hose is great for large areas, but might feel cumbersome for smaller spaces or tight corners. Another thing to consider is the maintenance. While the washable filter is convenient, if you're not using disposable bags, you'll need to ensure you keep the filter clean, especially if you have pets or heavy dust accumulation. Is the OVO vacuum system worth the price? Given the power, capacity, and quiet operation, it's certainly a good investment for larger homes or businesses that require a central vacuum system. However, for smaller spaces or people who are only looking for something quick and portable, this might not be the right fit. It's not the most budget-friendly option, but for the power and convenience it offers, it can be a worthwhile choice if you need a system that can handle heavy-duty cleaning across a large area. When comparing this model to other central vacuum systems on the market, the OVO holds its own with its powerful 630 Airwatts suction and hybrid filtration system. Many other systems in a similar price range can't match the hybrid flexibility or the quiet performance that the OVO offers. However, if you're in the market for something a bit more budget-friendly or have a smaller home, there are alternatives like the Electrolux Central Vacuum System or the Beam Serenity, which offer similar suction power, but at a slightly lower cost. These might be better suited to homes that don't need quite as much coverage or power. The OVO's build quality is solid. The rolled steel canister feels durable, and the motor compartment is well designed for easy maintenance. The long-term reliability of the system will depend on proper maintenance, but given the construction and the hybrid filtration system, it should last a good amount of time with the right care. Keep in mind that any long-term issues will likely be around the need for regular filter cleaning or possible wear on the hose over time, especially in high-traffic areas where dirt and pet hair accumulate. In terms of customer support, OVO is known for offering a reliable warranty and decent after-sales service. The system is backed by a solid warranty, and if you ever run into issues, they should be relatively easy to resolve with their responsive customer service. To wrap things up, the OVO large and powerful central vacuum system offers a ton of power, versatility, and coverage for those who need it. It's not the smallest, lightest, or cheapest option out there, but if you've got a large home, multiple floors, or even a business that requires serious suction, this system could be an excellent choice. It checks off a lot of boxes, including quiet operation, solid filtration, and powerful suction, though it's best suited for those who are prepared for the installation process and the slightly larger footprint. If you've got any questions or if you already own this vacuum, drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in today, and don't forget to check the comments box for the link to grab your OVO vacuum system. Until next time, keep your spaces clean and your air even cleaner.